Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we are going to preserve some lemons and limes, and this is going to be for cooking. It's not going to be for eating. You can rinse the lemons and the limes off once you're wanting to use them, but let me show you how we got to cut these up. You're going to need a nice size jar too. So I ordered 4-gallon size jars off of, I believe it was Amazon. I just got the cheapest jars I could find. And this is really simple. You're going to cut the lemon, the lime, and even any kind of citrus that you want to use for baking or cooking or whatever. So you're going to cut not all the way through. And you're going to make 4 slices. Like so. And drop it in. And if you cut through, like this came loose, that's okay. Drop it in there. I think we can squeeze one more in that jar. Alright. And then you're going to want to take some sea salt. And just do a layer of salt over your lemons. And then you keep going. And you can use this for anything. Anything, cooking fish, just whatever. And buy a bunch of lemons when they're on sale and just do this. Or if you grow lemons and have no way of preserving them, this is ideal. A friend of mine posted this on Facebook and I said, oh, I've got to try this and see how it turns out. We could do one more. Now you wouldn't be able to do a lemon pie with these or anything like that, but baking fish or something like that would be perfect. And then the next layer, you just salt them. And then do another layer. And then you just cover it. And they say you want to come back in here about once a week and turn it over. We're going to do the same thing with limes. These are some tiny limes. And you can, again, you can use any kind of citrus you want. Grapefruit, oranges. A lot of people stuff chicken and stuff with orange. That would be perfect. And yes, again, you can rinse the salt off. So after I get this one, this first layer, well, let's do the first layer and then this would be good to make guacamole. I'm always hanging on to avocados because I forgot to get the lime. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with the lime. We're just going to salt them. And then do another layer. I'll be back after I get them all done. Okay, y'all. So here's my lemons and my limes. And you're supposed to just tip them over once a week. Coat them real good with salt and then let them go. I'm going to find a nice, cool, dry place for these and just let them sit and do their thing. I'll check back with you guys periodically to show you how well it's coming along. But if you've ever done this before, this is something totally new to me. If you've ever done this before, let me know if I'm doing something wrong or if I should do something different. But yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.